If you go to the inequality section, there might be a video on how to solve these. Well, what I do with these, Grant, these are not solved for y. So I have to take these, Lalo, Cole, Ray, Mariah, and solve for y. Okay, you guys, yesterday you were good, today it's not so good. Nope, that's not the problem. Okay, how do you solve for y? Okay, Mariah, Grant, Cole, Ray, Allison.
Why do you keep on saying my name? I'm not even talking.
You're listening to her. Okay. I know they weren't focusing. Okay, you guys, let's take the first one. And we're going to solve for y. Now, I'm going to make it an equal sign. Okay, Alexandra, then I don't have to worry about the dividing by negative. I want you focused. Eyes here. No, you weren't. No, you weren't. Okay. Okay, so what do we do now? I want to solve for y.
Take away the 3.
Actually, there's a couple ways. Lalo says add y. That works. Okay, Jake, if you can't focus back there, move forward. Okay, you should be doing it with me. That's why I gave you the white paper. Who needs a pencil? Because you have 4 problems to do on this. Alexander, question? You need a pencil? Where's your pencil? Okay, it needs to come out. David, question? Come on up here. We're working on this problem. No, you need to be doing. Allison, what do I get now? I'll wait. Grant, have you already solved for y? Have you done this? No, you need to do. That's why I gave you the paper. Can you wait? And where is it? No, it'll be safe there. When we're done with this problem, yes. Okay, Jake, come up here if you have problems focusing. Cole, what do I get next? Ray, you don't have anything written down. Oh, you used to do now.
Yes, I do.
Don't yell.
Say my name one more time. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be.
Good. What do you get, Ray?
Bored. Negative 1.
What's this give you? Negative y equals the only one I've made up. It's not on the handout. It's negative 3x plus 2. Is that okay? Then what do we do?
Then you graph.
No, I still have a negative y.
Oh, you by negative 1. Positive.
By a negative 1. Now, that's right. So y equals 3x what?
2 over negative.
Careful. What's 2 divided by negative 1? Negative 2. So let's do one. Let's do one of these. Let's do this one, and then we'll come back and do the other one. Thanks.
I don't like that. I mean, I don't have a problem with you as a person, though.
It's not hard if you do it. Now I can say Alexandra. What do you want me to call you?
Alex.
I got another Alex. What?
How about that Alexa?
It's okay. Shh. So noisy today. Okay, Mike, Steve, you especially need to pay attention since you guys were gone.
I have a question. Are we doing anything next Friday?
I don't know. I'm not there yet.
Well, it's the last day before winter break.
I know that.
So are you planning on giving us?
Probably testing you that day.
Well, I won't be here because I started the day.
With a Santa hat on.
For what? Oh. Okay, guys. Shh. With you? Okay. Shh. Lachey. What do I graph now? I don't see a 5 or 6 there. Y equals mx plus b. This is on your quiz tomorrow, so if you can't do this, now you're in trouble. Okay, where do you begin? Where do you begin? Mike, where do we begin? That's why you really need to be focused.
Go down -2.
Okay, we start at -2 because that's
And
B.
if you got there, you go up 3 and go to the right one.
1, 2, 3, 1.
And then you keep on doing it, and then you make a line.
Okay, now, do I get to include the line? It's less than or equal to. Do I get to include the line?
Oh,
Okay, shh. Steve and Michael, you should not be making any sound. Okay. No, you were gone for this. Yes. Then, what are we going to do? We're going to substitute in the origin. Now, I may be doing it differently than last year. If you take this equation and solve for y, I have to worry about that negative sign. Too much thinking. Let's just see. It's either the side with origin or the side without the origin. Jake, it's one or the other. So I'm going to put this point in. And if this point makes that sentence true, then I shade that side. So I'm going to put in 0. What's 3 times 0? I've been just saying it's 0, but you guys know that? Allison, what's the next one? Y is 0. Okay. That's next. That's tomorrow. Is 0 smaller than 2? Yeah, it is. So guys, we shade this side. Now don't shade it because you're going to have to do double shading. Well, guess what I got to do with the other one? Same thing. Notice I never divided by the negative. I didn't worry about the inequality. I just tested a region because that works. That's how you solve an equation. Okay, let's do this one. -2x plus 3y is greater than -1. I'm going to write it down here because I can't see it. There always is. Now, you should be able to get it done in class. Okay, Steve, what do I have to do? We're going to pretend it's an equation. And you need to solve for y. I'm not convinced you guys know how to solve for y correctly. So, we're going to add 2x.
So then it would be 3y, and then the thing wouldn't change because...
We're treating it as an equation. That's why it's not going to change. We're just going to find the boundary. Okay, Steve, question? We're just finding the boundary. So, we'll write on some of the other space. Who cares? Now what do I do? Okay, divide everything by 3. Okay. Uh-oh. Shoot. Oh, this is going to make it hard, but we'll just estimate. That's not the problem. Where do we start? -1/3, which is about right here. I just made it up. My mistake. Now, the slope is 3/2. We can just estimate that. Allison, you need to be focused. That's not the problem. 1, 2, 3/2. 1, 2. Is this a dotted line? What? Dotted or solid? Dotted. Dotted. There you go. Now, you have 4 regions it could be. Which one is it? Well, now you test. What do you want to test here? Well, this isn't going through the origins. Pretty close, but let's try it. What's -2 times 0? Is 0 bigger than -1? Oh, no. Could it be, or is it? 0's bigger than -1. If it's 0 degrees, it went down to -2 last night. So I want to shade this side. This isn't a very good example. But I want the ones where I get double shading, so it's going to be... Oh, I accidentally clicked something. It's going to be this region right here. All of that. Now, those of you who were gone yesterday, we took a little quiz that you have to take. Okay, Allison. I know. Yes, you are.